page about school. Little puppy goes to school for the first time.
Emily's reading a book to Jonathan before going to bed. Yeah, good, Jonathan. Okay, let's turn the page and see what Puppy does next.
The bee, the bug. Puppy and Mouse get ready for school. Oh, there's water on the mouse. Talking water on the mouse. What's the mouse?
Yeah, the mouse is taking a bath. Okay.
Okay, Puppy and Mouse get ready for school. Mouse is in the motor. Mouse is in the motor. Puppy is in the motor. Puppy scrubs his outside. Yeah. Like that.
Yeah. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Turn the page. Very good, Emily.
This page.
Let's see what Puppy does on this page.
Puppy puts on his backpack. At school, he sees his old friends. Puppy sees some new faces too.
Very good.
Page. This is really long one to read.
Yeah, let's see what Puppy is doing at school.
Okay.
He's having fun.
Puppy.
He likes it.
What's this word?
Puppy meets
His class. Puppy meets his teacher too. Her name is Miss Hen. Puppy reads the ball
words
on the chalkboard. The ball is red. Puppy says, "Very good," says Miss Hen.
Very good, Emily.
So this is a very green page.
A very green page?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because they are outside there. And what's that green? Is it the grass?
Yeah.
The grass is green, yes.
And then the sky is blue.
The sky is blue, yes. Okay, so the class has recess.
Yeah. The class has recess. They go outside to play. Bear throws the ball low. Puppy hits the ball high. Way to go, says Pig. Listen, Pig.
Very good, Emily.
I know how to read it.
Yeah, you know how to read it. Very good.